Hi, Crafty Patty here. Tonight I'm going to be making some molds. I'm going to be using the product Easy Mold Silicone Putty. I haven't used it before, so I'm going to give it a try. I love seashells, love going to the beach, so I've got these beautiful shells, so I'm going to use these to make our molds. So stay tuned and we'll do this together. Okay, so here's the Easy Mold Silicone Putty. So let's see what we've got here. We have a container for part B and part A and instructions. And as per instructions, it says to mix equal parts of both A and both B. So I'm going to need enough. So it's big enough to cover this shell completely. So let's start with about that much of the A. And I'll try to get equal portions of the B here as well. So I'm going to need enough that when this shell presses down into it, it's going to still be thick enough to allow for the depth of that shell. And this won't cure until I start putting the two parts together. There's no odor to this, which is kind of nice. And it just feels maybe a little bit oily. So I'm going to put those two together now and just keep molding it in. It almost feels like a plasticine consistency. You want to try to mold it in as fast as possible because it doesn't give you a lot of time before it starts to harden up. See, we're still getting some marbling there, so we want to get all the marbling out. Okay, so now I just want to make it nice and smooth. The heat from your hands helps to mold it together. That's looking pretty good. So now I'm just going to take my shell right in the middle there, press it in. Leave that alone for 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and check and see what it looks like. Okay, so the 30 minutes is up. So now I can remove the shell from the mold. And that actually comes out very nicely. And that's made quite a nice impression inside, I would say. Go to video 3 in this series and I will show you how to make this beautiful shell using art resin.